How to upload photos on ChatGPT app. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now first of all, launch the Play Store application and check if you have an updated version of ChatGPT application. So just tap on the search bar and search for ChatGPT. So as you can see on the screen, there is no option of update over here, which means we have the latest version of ChatGPT. So simply tap on open. As you tap on open, it will lead us to ChatGPT's official app over here. Now, make sure that you're logged into your account. Now, as you're logged into your account, in order to upload photos on ChatGPT, simply tap on this plus icon at the bottom left corner of the screen. Here, select on the photos option. And as you tap on photos, you'll be able to see all these different pictures that you would want to upload. So I'm going to select one of these pictures and then tap on add. And as you do that, you can just give any sort of prompts over here. So I'm gonna write describe this picture. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.